This video introducing the key features of GansTiank 12V car battery jump starter with air compressor. It helps give you an overview. Of course, if you want to learn all the features, follow the link in the video description. Let's start learning about GansTiank 12V car battery jump starter with air compressor key features. Car emergency start power supply. This car jumper starter portable can provide a peak current of 5000 amp. Even in extreme temperatures of -30 degrees Celsius to about 80 degrees Celsius or extremely low battery levels, the built-in boost function can automatically start. 9.0L for gasoline vehicles, 8.0L for diesel vehicles within for cars, pickups, motorcycles, ships, RVs, tractors, lawnmowers, snowmobiles and more. Jump starter with air compressor. Portable car jump starter with air compressor offers 4 types of inflation modes: SUV, car, bike and ball, and comes with 4 different nozzles, catering to the needs of both beginners and advanced users. Multiple protection. The car battery jump starter, an integrated battery and intelligent fixture design, with insulation and sufficient safety. Provide comprehensive safety protection, including reverse connection, overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, overcharge/discharge, including fireproof flowers, reverse polarity protection, and more. Use is safer. Intelligent repair mode. This car battery charger is equipped with pulse repair function, which can automatically detect the battery status and initiate repair programs, maximizing battery life and restoring the capacity of old batteries, thereby extending your range. Emergency solution. This jump starter with LED emergency light provides emergency charging for powered-down mobile devices via USB. The unique car jump starter. Tire inflation. Ultra strobe, SOS LED light, steady, flashing, strobe modes. Configuration. Our battery jumper starter portable includes 16,000 host plus 10 anti-smart clip plus Oxford bag plus data cable plus English manual plus color box plus air hose plus 4-piece inflation nozzle set. You can click the subscribe button and select the bell to receive instant notifications when future videos are uploaded. See you in the next video. Thank you.